Do you run on EOS? You are in the right place. Welcome to San Diego, home of the EOS Conference. My name is Victoria Cabot, and I'm the head of client engagement, and I want to engage you on the exciting things that are going to happen. So whether you're a visionary or an integrator or a leadership team member, you are in the right place. This is so exciting, and I've been waiting forever for it to come to San Diego. Are you ready? Let's get started. Woo! Do you run on EOS? Do you? If you want even more learnings, you can take advantage of a How to Be a Great Boss workshop, Visionary Masterclass, or an Integrator Masterclass, part of Rocket Fuel. It's right down the road at the Hilton. Like the conference, we've developed tracks for the Integrator Masterclass. So if you're new to EOS, you'll want to take advantage of this. It will help you do a deep dive on truly understanding what that integrator role is all about. If you're a veteran integrator, the Familiar with EOS track will help you become even stronger. You'll shape your skill set and learn ways to take your visionary integrator relationships to even greater heights. Expect a deep dive into finding and solving hidden issues and when to make tough calls for the greater good. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to IDS as a group, attend an integrator-specific networking reception, and connect with other integrators who are all on their own integrator journeys. If you're a visionary, join us for the first ever Visionary Masterclass. Mark C. Winters will help you understand your visionary role and how to make the most of it. The Masterclass will cover practical strategies and proven techniques to address the common pain points that visionary leaders often encounter. You'll learn how to clarify your vision, communicate it effectively, and work with your integrator to bring that vision to life. Discover the tools to help you navigate challenges while dreaming big. The Visionary Masterclass is a game changer for your company and your personal growth. If you're a leader in your organization, but you aren't a visionary or an integrator, fear not. The Great Boss Workshop will help everyone from leadership team members to mid-managers learn the skills to, well, be a great boss. Learn how to put the 5 leadership practices and the 5 management practices into action. Earn that world's greatest boss mug while getting the most from your people. We're looking forward to seeing you in sunny San Diego for the 2024 EOS Conference.